Do you want to know how you can delete the general chat on your Telegram account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can delete the general chat on your Telegram account. Go ahead and open Telegram, which is on your phone. Now, you must select the chat which you want to delete. So, let's suppose I want to delete this chat over here. I will go to this chat and I will click on this setting, and you can see there is no option, but I want to delete this chat, so I will go over here, click on this, or I will go to its settings, click on this, and you can see there is option of auto delete. You can delete it, or else you can start a new chat. Let's suppose I'm going to start a new chat with my friend, so I'll go ahead and do this, and I'll write something like hi. Now, in order for you to delete it, tap on this, go to this option, this three dots option on the top right hand side, and you can see delete chat. Go ahead and click delete chat, and you can see also delete for this person. And if you want to permanently delete the chats, click on also delete and click delete chat. This way you can delete the general chat on your Telegram account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.